So much in our culture says, follow your heart. The Bible would say, don't do that. Because your heart, if it really is full of these sinful inclinations, is going to trick you and lead you astray. Do not follow your heart. The better solution is to surrender your heart, lead your heart, submit your heart to Jesus. God designed your heart. He knows how to lead it. He knows how to fill it. But you and I don't have any of those things. And so kids, young people in the room, please, please, please don't hear or don't believe the cultural messaging of our world that just says follow your heart. Be whoever you want to be. There's so much inside of us that God has given that is good, but there is so much inside of us that is not good. And so the only way to know which way is what is to submit all of your desires, all of your passions, all of your inclinations to the Word of God and sort those things through according to His divine Word and His divine authority. The better plan is not to follow your heart, but to surrender your heart.